cold. Someone please call 911. Yeah, yeah. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the vlog. So I told y'all, hey Tony.
What's up, big baby?
So I told y'all I was gonna vlog today because we were going somewhere, but I just reneged on Tonio.
Buster.
But he still has a date. So we're going to the Hip Hop Symphony. Wyclef Jean is gonna be here tonight with the Jacksonville Symphony. But he is gonna take Anaya. So they're gonna go there, and then me and the little kids, we're gonna go see A Wrinkle in Time.
Fart on that movie.
No, Tony, I really want to see it. So me and Ari. What's up? Ari, don't do that no more. Please don't do that no more. We're me, Ari, and Fat Daddy and Amari. Amari back there? Yeah, and Amari. The little ones, we're gonna go see A Wrinkle in Time while they go to the Hip Hop Symphony.
That's only 4. Where are the other 2?
Oh, Jabari's out of town at a football game,
like
and
always.
Kevin's at work.
Like no, he not.
Yeah, what's up, Minion?
What's up, Minion?
Who the minion? I'm not a minion.
You the Minion. So yeah, we got up early this morning. We've been doing stuff all day. Came home, took a nap. So I'm just now starting the vlog. It's like 4. It's 4:30, I think. 4:30. The Hip Hop Symphony is at 8. The movie is at 8:30. So.
Ooh, I got a date. I gotta go find me something to wear.
Whatever. Yeah, you don't get dressed cute when I go out with you.
You don't matter.
Ooh. Then why you married her?
It was just something to do.
Oh.
Slap one for me, Ari.
wait. I'm not gonna slap your head. I'm not gonna slap your head.
Whoa, stop.
Slap him for me.
No.
Anyway, so that's what's happening today. So I'm thinking, do y'all want to go to the symphony or do y'all want to go to the movie? Because I might let Tonio take the camera so he can take y'all to see Wyclef. Might be kind of cool. What you know about that?
She wanted to see what we was doing.
What you know about that?
Jump, jump.
The Mac Daddy make ya.
Jump, jump.
A Daddy Mac will make ya.
Jump, jump.
Crisscross will make ya.
Jump, jump.
All right. Can't get copyrighted. I'm gonna tell y'all what's been going on today. This is so aggravating. Oh my goodness. Do y'all hear that noise? Listen, y'all. They've been in there beating and putting this house together all morning. It is so... Christian, get in the house naked. What are you doing?
It's only one day.
Listen, man. They've been over here beating and bamming all day. Can y'all please finish with this house? They beating right here. They bamming on the other side of that one. They bamming over there. Over there. It's just noisy. All day. We finna go to the movies. We ain't got... No, we're not. I just took a nap.
I took my nap at Irma's house. Me and Joy took a nap together.
Alright, that's kind of nasty.
How?
Christian is asleep right now, so I guess he won't fall asleep in the movies. The movie started at 8:30. Why you say we about to be asleep? Tony, it's 7 right now. Well, we've been kind of lounging all day. They around here looking at Jeepers Creepers. This crazy movie. They don't have part 2 up there.
Oh, that's stupid. Netflix is trash.
Netflix is not trash. What you doing? Tony about to model for y'all. What you doing? Tonio and Naya are ready to go on their date. Come on! And now you with the stank Sperry's. Okay.
Oh Scaries.
Tonio, step back, boo.
Wow, boo.
This man can be so cold.
No, he's not. I love the vest. He looks so cute.
Now you hate.
Stop hating, Naya. He look cute.
I look cute.
Smell good too.
I know. I always smell good.
That's a lie.
So they waiting on Pops. Pops is coming to get them. They're all going to the concert. It's not that cold out here, actually. Oh, Pops, come on in. Let me get your outfit, please.
Okay.
I ditched Antonio, but he's taking Anaya so she can enjoy the symphony. Look at you.
You ditched Antonio?
Look at you, Pops. You look so nice. Stand here. I've been making everybody show their outfits. Come on in. Come on in.
You not going to see Wycliffe?
No, I'm taking the smaller kids to see to the movies.
Okay.
But you still have a date. Come on, Tony. Look at.
I get you my date, huh, Tony?
What's that?
I got you my date, huh?
Okay, Pops. Strike a pose. Strike a pose for us.
You said she got
Oh, that's all you? That's the old man spread.
All right.
We're headed to the movies.
What y'all gonna go see? Black Panther again?
No, A Wrinkle in Time.
Oh.
We could go back to Wakanda. All right, Fat, that's good. We're gonna give y'all a quick tutorial on what to do when your natural hair is acting up.
Dang.
We got some, what is this? Some Bantu Black. It's actually a, I don't know what kind of curl this is. It's just like some kinky, African kinky hair for like crocheting. It's still going. Alright, so that was just a quick vlog right there.
Hi guys.
Hi guys. Yeah, we just put Ari's little bun up there and we're done. Gotta get to the movies. We're in the car now. We're going to see A Wrinkle in Time. And I actually just saw a few people say that the movie was not that good. But we'll be the judge. We'll judge for ourselves. It was actually between this or Peter Rabbit because I wanted to see Peter Rabbit for real. But Peter Rabbit is starting too late. It doesn't start until 10 o'clock. So we gonna go see A Wrinkle in Time today and hopefully we find it entertaining. What's up, y'all? So it's the next day and I forgot to close out the vlog last night. So Tonio, how was the concert?
Wycliffe was good.
8
And
from
the
1 to
Jacksonville
10.
Symphony, one to 5. Let's say 1 to 5. On a scale of 1 to 5, I say it was about a 3.5. But it was good. Taught my daughter a little bit about our hip hop around our era. And Wycliffe did his thing. It was good.
All right. So for me, scale of 1 to 5, the movie 2.5.
Dang.
Yeah.
Sorry, Oprah.
Yeah, about 2.5. But that's it. So I'll see y'all on the next one. Yeah, see y'all on the next one.